Hi guys, good morning. I am Giovanni Marchegiani and I'm part of the UEG Quality of Care Task Force. Today I will navigate you through the GI Guidelines app of the UEG, which is what you need to have in your pocket to be always updated on all the guidelines of the GI world. So follow me into this tour. So here we go. We start navigating through the app. As you see, it's already searching for updates because we're gonna update the app every time we have new guidelines to be included. You see how it looks, the interface, and as I'm a pancreas guy, I will now go through the pancreatic section to have an example. You see that all the guidelines have been condensed in nice summaries, and it's always easy to find your way through the menus so you cannot get lost. You can see the actual files. Here's an example of the PDF, for example. But then what makes this app absolutely unique is the possibility to navigate through the algorithms, as in this case. So you can get the recommendation for your specific case based on the algorithm of the guidelines. So if you have your patient in front of you, you have the evidence in your pocket. And you see how it's reached the menu. You can, again, easily select the guidelines you're looking for. And again, according to these interactive tools and the search button, you can always get the recommendation you're looking for. And what about the scores? Well, all the scores have been integrated. So again, with a very user-friendly interface, you can get, as in this example, the Child-Pugh score you're looking for. So once again, you can go back to the menu, use at the bottom the search tool in order to navigate through the app. But again, this is something that you need to have because it can be easier than that. And it is the best way to have all the evidence you need in your pocket. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and remember to download the GI Guidelines app of the UEG today. See you soon. Bye bye guys.